the statement?
Cabin crew, prepare all doors and cross-check.
That's the statement as well as to let you know like which universities and the courses that I'm in.
Yeah.
And plus the statement again is going to be like one of the pages. And obviously that I haven't had time to do that. I think I'm just going to do body cam this year.
There's no time to do offset.
So you could try your luck, but I mean it's like £50 per application, and if you're gonna rush it, it's gonna be a bit risky. I feel. Because you can always apply next time.
Yeah, but what to do for a year?
Huh? What for you?
That's not working. I feel like I won't be able to do that.
Well, it depends on the type of work you do as well. Like I guess if you do like if you get into a job where you're like earning like a decent amount from the start, then you will not be your incentive to go back to the building.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a moment I will be asking for your attention while we show you a short safety video.
نرحب بكم على طيران الإمارات بوينغ 777-300. يرجى الانتباه بينما نعرض لكم إجراءات السلامة. نستعد الآن للإقلاع. نرجو منكم إرجاع طاولة الطعام ومسند القدمين وشاشة الفيديو الشخصية إلى الوضعية الأصلية ورفع كل ستائر النوافذ وإرجاع مقعدكم إلى الوضعية المستقيمة. يرجى وضع الامتعاج بخزائن العلوية أو أسفل المقعد أمامكم. الرجاء ربط حزام الأمان عندما تكون إشارة بالأحزمة مضاءة. ويمكنكم فركم برفع الحلقة المعدنية. إذا كنت تنام في النوم خلال الرحلة الرجاء ربط حزام الأمان على البطانية غير مزعجة. لسلامتكم يجب إبقاء الأجهزة المتصلة بخدمات الواي فاي والبلوتوث والهواتف المحمولة مغلقة خلال التحرك والإقلاع والهبوط وطيلة الرحلة إلا إذا أخبركم طاقم الطائرة عكس ذلك. التدخين أو السجاير الإلكترونية غير قانوني. كافة دورات المياه مزودة بإنذار. مقصورة الطائرة خاضعة للسيطرة اللاحقة. إذا استدعت الحاجة من أكسجين ستتدلى آليا كمامات التنفس أمامكم. يبدأ تدفق الأكسجين بمجرد سحب الكمامة من جانبكم. ضعوا الكمامة على وجهكم وتنفسوا بشكل طبيعي. اهتموا بأنفسكم أولا ثم قوموا بمساعدة الآخرين. وفي حالة الهبوط الاضطراري يرجى أخذ وضعية الانحناء المناسبة لمقعدكم. سترة النجاة موجودة تحت أو إلى جانب مقعدكم. عندما يطلب منك استعمالها يرجى سحبها من مكانها ووضعها حول رأسك. يلف الشريط حول وسطك ويدخل من الأمام مع إحكام ربطه بشد الشريط. يتعين لفك سترة النجاة لدى مركبة الطائرة فقط. يمكنكم زيادة الهواء في سترة النجاة من خلال التفخيم بقصبات الفم المخصصة لذلك. لجلب الانتباه يمكنكم استخدام الصفارة. يريد النوم تلقائيا عند ملامسة اليمنى. قبل أن نبدأ رحلتنا يرجى تحديد مخرج الطوارئ الأقرب إلى مقعدكم. يوجد 10 مخارج للطوارئ على هذه الطائرة المؤشر عليها باللون الأحمر. كما هنالك أضواء أرضية في الممرات ترشدكم إلى أقرب مخرج للطوارئ والذي قد يكون خلفكم. لتذكيركم بجوانب السلامة يرجى قراءة بطاقة السلامة الموجودة بجانب مقعدكم.
Welcome aboard this Emirates Boeing 777-300. Please pay attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. We are now preparing for takeoff. Your tray table, footrest and personal video screen should be folded away, window blinds open, and your seat should be in the upright position. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead lockers, or under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt symbol is illuminated. Adjust the belt by pulling the strap and lift the metal flap to unfasten your belt. If you wish to sleep during the flight, please fasten the seatbelt over your blanket so that we will not have to disturb you. For safety reasons, it is forbidden to use any transmitting electronic devices during taxi, takeoff or landing. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile mobile phone services must remain switched off until you are told you can use them by your cabin crew. It is illegal to smoke on board, including electronic smoking devices. All toilets have smoke detectors. The cabin environment is carefully controlled. If oxygen is required, masks will appear from above you. Pulling the mask towards you starts the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your face and breathe normally. Attend to yourself first and then help others. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing, please adopt the placed position appropriate to your seat. There is a life jacket under or to the side of your seat. When instructed by the cabin crew, remove it from its container and pull it over your head. Bring the tape around your waist and fasten in front, pulling firmly to secure. Only inflate your life jacket when you're leaving the aircraft by pulling the two red toggles sharply downwards. You can also inflate or top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece. You can use the whistle to attract attention, and the light will automatically illuminate when in water. Before we commence our journey, take a moment to locate the emergency exit nearest to your seat. There are 10 emergency exits on this 777-300, which are clearly marked in red. If required, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit, which may be behind you. To remind yourself of the safety aspects of this aircraft, please read the safety card in your seat pocket. Your cabin crew will now pass through the cabin carrying out a final safety check. Enjoy your flight with Emirates.
Oh, sorry, I meant you.
During today's flight, you can enjoy ice, information, communications, and entertainment. Choose from over 750 channels on demand, with more than 100 movies from Hollywood, Bollywood, and beyond. There are challenging video games, great TV shows, and an amazing collection of music. Pick up the ice guide and start exploring. Keep up to date with live news and sport headlines updated throughout the flight. Look at the information section of ICE to discover more about Emirates and our home Dubai. You can also track the progress of today's flight on the airshow channels, or enjoy the views ahead and below through our onboard cameras. On most flights, keep in touch using your own mobile phone, just as you would on the ground. Or connect to the internet with Wi-Fi on all Emirates A380s and select Boeing 777s. Please set your mobile to vibrate mode to avoid disturbing others. Emirates Duty-Free Collection offers luxury gifts and international brands. Browse through the guide to see what's available to buy on today's flight. Or go online, visit the Emirates High Street Collection and choose from hundreds of exciting products with delivery right to your door. Skywards, Emirates frequent flyer program, makes travel more rewarding. If you're not already a member, join online at emirates.com and earn miles for today's flight. Skywards miles can be used for free flights, upgrades, and much, much more. Help improve the lives of children in need by donating to the Emirates Airline Foundation using the envelopes on board. Learn more on Channel 320 or read the leaflet in your seat pocket. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight on Emirates.
Cabin 30